Check out this 2010 BMW 3 Series. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bucket seats, cruise control, passenger airbag sensor, driver airbag, sun-moon roof, rain-sensing wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, and power mirrors. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.